It is peach season here in Idaho, so I am going to share with you one of my very favorite peach recipes, which is an old-fashioned peach cobbler. It only takes pantry staple ingredients. All you're going to need is your fresh peaches. I love the freestone varieties. If you can get those, they're the easiest to remove the stones. And then flour, sugar, a little bit of baking powder, melted butter, a pinch of salt, and a cup of milk. And that's it. I hope you love this recipe as much as we do. So first you're just going to go ahead and remove your peach skins and your pits, get them nice and chopped up and put into your mixing bowl. You can add brown sugar here, but you do not need to. I'm also adding a little bit of lemon juice and lemon zest for a little extra kick. Those are definitely optional. And then put that into the bottom of your baking dish, and then you're going to mix your batter. So that is your flour, your sugar, your baking powder, a little bit of salt, melted butter, and a cup of milk. And go ahead and give that a stir until it's nice and smooth. Pour it into the bottom. I'm using a 7x11 pan here. And then you can either scoop the batter over the top or just go ahead and pour it over the top. It does seem very liquidy right now, but it bakes up perfect. And it makes it almost caramely, just a delicious peach cobbler recipe. Of course, I always want to know what you think of my recipes, so please leave a review on the recipe card or down below in the comments. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do, and we'll see you next time.